I'm so excited because I'm here in my auntie house and I'm going to show it to you. I'll show it to you the whole house. You stay with me until the end of this video because I am going to tour you around inside that home. Homeowner is my auntie, my extended family here in Calgary, and I'm so excited and I'm going to show it to you because at the same time this house is for rent, an income property for her. Just to show you and give you some idea how the house is here in Canada, and I'm going to bring you inside. This house have a 7-bedroom here upstairs. They have a basement suite, a 2-bedroom basement suite for rent. 1,100 included utilities, and the bedroom upstairs is for rent for international students. That's what she told me. I just want to show it to you because I'm so excited. And yeah, let's go. There you go. That's the owner of the house, okay? It's not me. I'm going to tour you around inside. Hi everyone, so today's video I am with my auntie. She's in Calgary and she's the owner of this house. And this house, she just bought it last week, right? Yeah. This video is just an impromptu video, okay? Disclaimer, I'm not a realtor here, okay? I just want to show to you the house here in Calgary. She just showed me her basement and I'm going to show it to you again later because I didn't make a video for that, okay? But she's going to tour me around upstairs. So we are in the living room right now. It's a little bit messy. It's because they're still furnishing. So I will let my auntie show it to me, her house. This is her kitchen. And if you can see, the living room is huge. Okay. This is the, laundry room. Sorry for the mess. It's still cleaning up. So if you live in this upstairs, you have your own washer and dryer, your sink, you know, some place to put your cleaning things. Okay, let's go, auntie. And okay, you turn the light on, auntie, so they can see. There you go. Nice bathtub. Let's go on the other side.
Now we're on the main floor, but this is already taken by another student.
International students, okay? So, okay, turn off that light. Where's another one? So on that side is the garage, okay? You enter, put your shoes, then you hang your winter jacket. Then we can go upstairs. Let's follow our leader. Okay. Wow.
So here's the right wing. That's for the 4 rooms that's still available.
This is the room that is available, guys. So how many rooms here?
4.
Okay, so we have 4 rooms that are available in this upstairs.
Living room again.
Wow, there's another living room here. I like the floor, auntie. I think it's hardwood. Nice and clean. Wow, and there is outside porch. That's a church. My husband said it's a Lutheran church. Okay.
The first room.
The first room here. Nice and clean. Wow.
Bed, so you can just bring your mattress.
Another closet, yeah. Wow. Oh, nice big windows. There's another room here. Wow, beautiful. It's perfect. It's the same like the other room, okay guys? So this is good for international students. My kids are being noisy. They're with us today. Sorry guys. So let's go, auntie. Yeah, you can put your blankets here, your towels and everything. And there's another room. Oh, this is the washroom. Wow, that's nice. Perfect. And there's another room. Wow, this is a big one. Your closet. Perfect. Another room.
This is the master bedroom.
Oh, another like a master bedroom, auntie. Oh, this, I think whoever live in here are the luckiest one. Because you know what? You have your own. Yeah, it's a couple can live it here. You have your own big shower room and your closet. Okay. So,
on the left wing, this is already taken for massage clinic.
Separate area is for a massage room.
So another 3 rooms, but we're gonna make it as a spa, salon, massage clinic.
This is awesome. That's why it's good for international students.
And here's another big room here with
already.
We're getting ready for massage, so...
Oh, there's another room here. Another. Wow. So, I'm going downstairs. Going to show it to you, the basement suite, okay? So, okay. This is the entrance. This is the separate entrance. You enter. It's a huge house. Can you imagine? It's like an apartment. So, you come inside here. You enter. This is your separate entrance. The door is always closed. You have your own entrance and exit, yeah? So, I will tour you around downstairs. Okay, so I'm going down basement to show it to you. This is a basement suite, and this is how it looks like. I'm sorry guys, my son is a little bit goofy down there. So, 2-bedroom and 1,100 included utilities. That's what my auntie told me. Okay, so do you have your own separate washer and dryer? Washer and dryer. So you have your own privacy. Oh, something you can put your own winter clothes. You have your own kitchen. You have your own living room. Huge living room. Wow, it's beautiful. I don't know what is this room. Oh, nice washroom. Wow. You have your own shower. Perfect. 1,100 included utilities is awesome. Wow, this is the room, first room. You can put double bed here. You have your own closet. The window is perfect. This is a legal window here. And another one here. The other bedroom is over here. Oh, this is so perfect. Okay. And the closet. You have your own closet, your own window. Okay. I'm just giving you some ideas how the houses here in Canada. That's why I told you it's cheaper to rent here in Calgary if we compare in Vancouver or in Toronto. Because 1,100 basement suite with huge, with your own kitchen, with your own washer and dryer. It's perfect. Everything is in here. 1,100 included utilities. Okay, so I already showed to you the upstairs, right? So, and you know the price for this one is 500 something. I'm going to ask my auntie if how much is the real price of this house. How much is this house again, auntie?
560K.
The price of this house is $500,000. Oh my God, I cannot afford. You're lucky. Can you adopt me?
The bank is rich.
Well, the bank here in Canada, they cannot just approve you for, you know, you need to have a good credit, you're a good payer, at least you show in the bank that you make money, right? And you have a good credit. That's the most important, is good credit. If we compare in Vancouver and Toronto, there is no way you can buy this house for 560. This house must be in Toronto or in Vancouver, must be at least 3 million or something. I don't know. I'm not a realtor, okay? It's just my guess, okay? Yeah. The location is perfect and it's accessible by the bus. And I'm in the garage right now. She came to Canada as a permanent resident, right, auntie? Yeah. She started her life from the scratch. Life in Canada, you have to challenge yourself. If you have something skills to do, that's how you're supposed to do, okay? You cannot just rely on one job. So like for her, she is like a business owner. She's at the same time, she's an instructor in massage therapies. At the same time, she's an agent. Life insurance. That's why I told you guys, life insurance is very important when you arrive in Canada, okay? And she is the lady who knows everything about that. Just ask some questions about life insurance when you arrive here in Canada, and you have to find somebody who can educate you about the life, the importance of having a life here in Canada, right?
Don't just buy something that you didn't understand. You got to understand it, so find somebody who will educate you first before buying life insurance.
Yeah, right. No, that's very true. How much, auntie, you charge for per room?
Per room depends on that room. I will give the discounted student price already.
Oh, okay? Student price included utilities, right?
Yeah. 450 for the room.
Oh my goodness, that's a nice price. Yeah, like 450 per room For included
Yeah,
utilities?
for the two smaller, okay. The other two bigger would be another different price.
Okay.
Maybe the one with the sariling washroom.
With the washroom, if you you remember, I showed it to you guys. The one with their own master bedroom, like their own washroom, is a little bit different price. Okay, but the one that I separate, like only the room, is 450 monthly, included utilities. For an included internet. Oh my God, you are awesome. That's why God bless you more, Tita. You know,
the more you give, the more you receive, right?
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to show it to you where you can walk and ride the bus if you are not driving, okay? And I'm going to walk this way. It's not that far. If you can see the bus is the stop sign here, that's where you can wait for the bus. Okay, I'll show it to you. Actually, it's a nice quiet neighborhood here. You know, it's an old area here, but it's good. Southeast area. Yeah, so I just only walk for like 2 minutes. And if you like Asian food, there's an Asian store on that side. You can just walk probably 10 minutes. So yeah, that's the Calgary Transit Bus. And let me show it to you where the waiting area for the bus stop. Okay, you can see that Canadian flag. In front of that is waiting area for the bus, transit bus here in Calgary. Okay, yeah, you stop by in the bus either on that side, or in that opposite side. Okay, and then you can just walk over here, and just only 2 minutes. And so I hope I give you some ideas and tips today, especially for the renting place here in Canada. And yeah, if ever you are in Calgary and you're looking for a place to rent, especially if you're an international student, and there's a place for you guys. I just only walk for a little while and that's the house, so not that far. Okay, yeah, parking space is okay. Yeah, so this is the entrance for the separate entrance if you are going to rent the basement suite. This side of this house, they have a crab apple here. You know what is crab apple? It's not really an apple, but it's a small size of apple. I show it to you and I eat them. It's a little bit sour. It's still small. They don't grow like an apple, but that's how the crab apple here. You can eat them. It's a little sour, but it's yummy. Apple. Just sit down here and relax during summertime. In this video is for informational purposes only, and at the same time just giving you some ideas about the life here in Calgary, because we are in Calgary. We are promoting Calgary, of course. It's a beautiful city, and that's what I told you. If you are an international student here in Calgary, you're looking for a place to rent, we have a place for you, and it's a nice and beautiful cozy house. 450 included utilities and internet. Are you kidding me? That's already a good price for you, especially for international students. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much to Auntie for sharing your house, for touring around us your house. Okay, it's a beautiful and it's a blessing from God. Yeah, and I'm so happy and proud of you. Thank you so much, and bye bye. God bless you. Bye bye.